Here's how to change where Windows installs new apps, covering both Microsoft Store apps and external software installers. For Microsoft Store apps, go to Settings, then System, then Storage. Scroll down and click Advanced Storage Settings, then Where New Content is saved. Find New Apps will save to and change the drive from C to your preferred location. This only affects apps downloaded through the Microsoft Store. For apps installed from external setup files, the change requires the Registry Editor. Press the Windows key, search for Registry Editor, and open it. Navigate to H key Local Machine, then Software, then Microsoft, then Windows, then Current Version. You will see two entries, Program Files dir and Program Files dir x86. Double-click Program Files dir and change the drive letter. For example, change C to D. Do the same for the second entry. Click OK on both. From this point, new external applications will install to your chosen drive by default. Two important notes. Do not move or modify any existing Program Files folders after making this change, since installed apps reference their original paths and will break. Also, back up your registry before editing by going to File, then Export just in case. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.